And just come here. Come on like this. Namaste everyone. I'm making pakora. It's a Nepali snack. I'm making a cauliflower pakora. I use one medium-sized cauliflower, 1 cup of besan flour, which is chickpea flour, salt, pepper. You can use cayenne pepper or any other pepper, garlic, and then I use turmeric also. A cup of water and cup of flour, mix all together with all the spices. And for the flavor, I use fresh chives from my garden, and I use 1 cup of canola oil. You can use olive oil, you can use avocado oil, any oil, any frying oil. And I'm sorry, it's Friday, it's deep fried, but it's at least we're eating vegetables. So we eat a lot of vegetable in our household. And you just deep fry for each side for I would say 2 minutes on each side. This is how it looks. This is pakora ready. You can eat with yum yum dip or any dip of your choice. I'm making cilantro dip. I have shared with you before. Thank you for watching my YouTube.